Hello friends, welcome to VTech Academy, and here in this video we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. And here in this section we are going to derive the formula for cos 2a. So in order to derive this formula, we are going to use the formula of compound angle, that is cos a plus b, which is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So by using this formula and replacing b with a, that is cos 2a can be written as cos a plus a, and here this is in the form of a plus b, where we have to replace b with a. So by replacing b with a in the formula, we get cos a into cos b, which is cos a here, minus sin a into sin b. So here we get sin a. So that implies we get here cos square a minus sin square a. So this is the formula for cos 2a, which is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Let us name this as equation 1. And from the trigonometric identity, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And here we can write sin square a in terms of cos square a by using this identity. That is cos square a minus sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a here. And here by simplifying, we get cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. So that implies we get here 2 cos square a minus 1, which is also the formula of cos 2a. So let us name this as equation 2. And now let us replace the value of cos square a in terms of sin square a. So here by replacing, we get 2 into cos square a can be written as 1 minus sin square a here minus 1. And now let us multiply. So here by multiplying, 2 into 1 becomes 2 here, minus 2 into sin square a, which is 2 sin square a minus 1. So we get 1 minus 2 sin square a as the formula for cos 2a. So let us name this as equation 3. And now let us derive the formula of cos 2a in terms of tan a. So in order to derive, let us use the equation 1, that is cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So we can also write cos square a minus sin square a by 1. So that implies we can write this as cos square a minus sin square a divided by the trigonometric identity, which is cos square a plus sin square a. And now let us divide the numerator as well as the denominator with cos square a. So by dividing, we get here cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a, then whole divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a. And now let us simplify here. So here we get cos square a divided by cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a, then whole divided by cos square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a. And here by simplifying, cos square a and cos square a gets cancelled in the numerator, and similarly in the denominator cos square a and cos square a gets cancelled. So that implies we get here 1 minus sin square a by cos square a, which is nothing but tan square a, divided by 1 plus sin square a by cos square a, which is tan square a. So this is the formula of cos 2a in terms of tan. So from equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 and at last at equation 4, we can say that the formula for cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a in terms of both cos and sin, and the formula for cos 2a is also equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 in terms of cos, and then the formula of cos 2a is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a in terms of sin, and the last formula for cos 2a is also equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a in terms of tan. So make a note of this formula of cos 2a and also learn this formula, because this formula is useful in solving examples in our further videos. Hope you understood the concept, and refer more videos on trigonometry on our website vtechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.